Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn properties of LCM and HCF, and we will do applications of LCM and HCF in real life situations. That means we will learn today, we will do some word problems on LCM and HCF. So one property that is very useful is, if A and B are two numbers, then the LCM of AB and into the HCF of AB is equal to A into B. So if there are two numbers and the LCM of the two numbers into the HCF of the two numbers is equal to the product of that two numbers. So to understand properly, let's take one example. We are taking two numbers, we are taking small numbers just to understand. So suppose we are taking two numbers 6 and 8. We are taking two numbers 6 and 8. Now we will find the LCM of 6 and 8. So we will do by division method 6 and 8. We will divide it by 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So now LCM will be 2 into 3 into 4. That means it will be equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So it will be 24. Now we will find HCF. So how will you find HCF? You can find it by division method. HCF also you can find it by division method. 6 1s are 6. Then the remainder is 2. Now again we will divide 2 by 6. 2 3s are 6. You are getting the remainder 0. That means the HCF will be 2. So we are getting LCM 24 and HCF 2. Now we will do multiplication of these two numbers. That means 24 into 2. How much you will get? 24 into 2, you will get 48. So LCM of 6 and 8 is 24 and HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Now we are doing multiplication of these two, LCM and HCF, and you are getting 48. Now we will find the product of the two numbers. The two numbers are 6 and 8. So if you multiply 6 into 8, 6 8s are also 48. So you see you are getting the same number. So this is a property that is used in LCM and HCF. That is, LCM of two numbers into HCF of two numbers will be equal to the product of that two numbers. See, 6 and 8. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24 and the HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. When you multiply these two, you are getting 48. Again, if you multiply the two numbers also, you will get the same number. So this is the property of LCM and HCF. Now we will do applications of LCM and HCF in real numbers. That means we will do now the word problems.
Our first question is, the HCF, LCM and one of the numbers is given. Find the other number. So here HCF is given as 3. LCM is given as 126. And the first number, I have taken first number as A. So it is given as 21. So here two numbers are there and the HCF of that two numbers is 3 and the LCM of the two numbers is 126. And the first number is also given, that is 21. Now you will have to find the other number. So as you know the property of LCM and HCF, that HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. A into B means first number into second number. So we will write the values of HCF and LCM. So as you know here that you will have to find B. So we will write interchangeably. So you will change it like this: A into B is equal to HCF into LCM. Why are we writing like this? Because we can, then it will be easy to calculate. So it is same only, HCF into LCM is equal to A into B, and A into B is equal to HCF into LCM, both are same only. Now we will do A means 21, B, HCF is 3 and LCM is 126. Now what we will do? We will write B here, and then this 21 here, it is multiplication. So what we will do to find B? We will have to divide this. So 3 into 126 divided by 21. Now we will do cancellation. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, then 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11 12, 5 56, 7 8 are 56. So you will be getting 18. So therefore the other number is 18. So like this you can do this type of sum. Next question: a library has 450 books on arts and 600 books on science. The librarian wants to arrange them in shelves such that each shelf contains the same number of books of the same subject with no books left over. Find the greatest number of books that can be arranged in each shelf. Also find the total number of shelves needed. So in your question it is given that a library has 450 books on arts and 600 books on science. Now the librarian, what he will do or she will do, he will arrange them in shelves such that each shelf contains the same number of books of the same subject with no books left over. That means if there are 5 shelves, suppose, so each shelf should have same number of books on arts and same number of books on science also, and when he arranged it there should be no left over. That means all the books should be placed in that shelves only. So what you will do here, you will have to find a common one. When you find a common factor, then what you can do, you can find out that how many books can be arranged in each shelf. So as you can see, your question is find the greatest number of books. So that means you will have to find a HCF, highest common factor of 450 and 600. Whatever HCF you get, that number of books should be placed in each shelf so that there will be no book left over and each shelf will get equal number of books. So let's find out how will you do it. So here what is given? It is given that number of books on arts is 450, number of books on science is 600. Now to find the greatest number of books that can be arranged, so we will write here to find the greatest number of books that can be arranged in each shelf. We will find the HCF of 450 and 600. So now you can find the HCF of HCF of 450 and 600. So how will you find it? You can find using the division method. So you will find it 600. First you will take 600, then we will divide 600 by 450. So it will be obviously 1 times only. So 450, 1 is 450. Now you subtract, it will be minus 150. Now we will divide this 450 by 150. So as you know, 150 2 ja will be 300. Then if you do 3 ja, how much you will get? 150 into 3 you will get 450. So you are getting remainder 0. That means therefore HCF is 150. So you have got the HCF 150. That means the greatest number of books, that means highest number of books that can be arranged in each shelf will be 150. So now the next question, another question is there, that also find the total number of shelves needed. So how many shelves will be needed? How will you find it? So you see, total number of books, first of all you will have to know the total number of books. Total number of books is 450 plus 600. That means it will be 1050. So this is the total number of books. Now you will have to find total number of books you have got. Now you will have to find number of shelves. The librarian will put how many books in one shelf? 150. Then and total number of books is 1050. That means how will you find the number of shelves needed? By dividing. Yes. So therefore number of shelves needed will be equal to total number of books divided by number of books in each shelf. So it will be, cancel it, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So you are getting 7. That means total number of shelves needed will be 7 and each shelf will contain how many books? 150 books. So the next question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 9 meter 52 centimeter, 5 meter 24 centimeter and 4 meter 12 centimeter respectively. Find the length of the longest step which can measure the dimensions of the room exactly. So here length, breadth and height of a room, that means the dimensions or the measurements of the room is given. Now you will have to find the longest step which can measure the dimensions of the room exactly. Longest step, that means you will have to find the highest common factor of the dimensions. When you find the highest common factor, that means with that factor you can, with that highest factor you can divide all these dimensions. That's why you will have to find the HCF of these 3 dimensions and you will get the measurement of the longest step which can measure the dimensions. Now here see, you can see here the measurements are given in meter centimeter, meter centimeter, meter centimeter. So what we will do, we will change it, we will convert it to suppose centimeter, because if you convert to meter you will get decimal number and that one you will learn later on. So first of all what you will do, we will convert this 9 meter 52 centimeter to centimeter. After that we will do HCF, then we will find the longest step. So here 9 meter 52 centimeter. So you will get 9 meter you can write 9 into, so you know meter to centimeter it is 100 plus 52, that means 900 plus 52, that means 952 centimeter. So like that you will find the other dimensions also. 5 meter 24 centimeter will be 500 plus 24, that means 524 centimeter. Again for 4 meter 12 centimeter it will be 400 plus 12, that is 412 centimeter. Now you have got three numbers 952, 524 and 412. Now we will find the HCF. Now you can do HCF by division method or you can do HCF by prime factorization method also. So we will do by division only. HCF of 952, 524 and 412. So first of all we will do these two, 952, 524. So it will be 524 one times 524. Now you do subtraction, 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 will be how much? It will be 8. Then it will be 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 9 minus 5 is 4. So you are getting 428. Now we will divide 524 by 428. It will be 1 times only 428. Now you do subtraction. So you will be getting again 4. So 14 minus 8. It will be 14 minus 8. That means 6. Now here 1 you have got. So it will be 11. 11 minus 2 is how much? It will be 9. Now again we will do 428 divided by 96. So you will be getting how many times? You can do by 4 times. It will be, if you do 4 times you will get 384. Now you do again subtraction, 4, again 12 minus 8, it will be 4. Now again you will do by 96 by 44. If you do 2 times you will be getting 88. So you will do 2 times 88. Now again we will do subtraction. It will be 16 minus 8, that is 8, and then we will divide this 44 by 8. Now it will be 8 5 ja 40, then you will get 4. Now we will divide 8 by 4. So you will get how much? 4 2 ja 8. You can see you are getting remainder 0. That means HCF of 952 and 524 is how much? 4. Now again we will do 412. So you have got HCF 4. Now 412 left. So we will do here HCF of 412 and 4. So 412 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 12, 4 3 ja, here 1 0 will come, 4 3 ja 12. So you are getting 0 remainder. That means the HCF is how much? It is 4. So therefore HCF is 4. So we can write therefore the longest step is 4 centimeter. Your next question is, Rahul goes to the market every 25 days, Marian goes to the same market every 45 days and Bhupen goes to the same market every 55 days. They meet each other today. After how many days will they all meet again? So here this type of when this type of situation comes, you will have to find the LCM. Why you will have to find the LCM? See, here Rahul is going market in 25 days and Marian is going in 45 days, and here also Bhupen is going in 55 days. That means they are going multiple times. They are not going one time, but they are going after 25 days or 45 days or 55 days multiple times. That's why they are doing multiple times, and you will have to find they all meet together. Together means it will be common. So they are going multiple times and you will have to find a common, because they are meeting together. They will meet together if they have common one. That means you will have to find the LCM, lowest common multiple. Then only you will get after how many days they will all meet together. So let's start doing the problem. So Rahul goes to the market in 25 days, Marian goes to the market in 45 days, and Bhupen goes to the market in 55 days. Now we will find the LCM of 25, 45 and 55. So we will do the division method, then it will be easy. 25, 45 and 55. So we will be doing division method. So here 25, 45 and 55 you can divide it by 5, all the numbers. See here you can divide 45 by 3, only one number you can divide by 3, that's why we will not do 45, we will do all the 3 numbers by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45 and 5 11s are 55. So here you will get, therefore LCM is 5 into 5 into 9 into 11. And you will get the answer 2475. That means, this means that they will meet again after 2475 days. So therefore they all meet together again after 2475 days. So like this, in this type of situation you will have to do LCM, and when you will have to find the greatest number or the highest number, then you will have to do HCF.